Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tribal Geek. Today I'm in a place called Flamborough, which is a coastal site in UK, and that's in England. I'm on a hiking with my friends, and I'll be making the entire video of this hike. I hope you guys like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel Tribal Geek, do subscribe. Hello Aaron.
Hi man. How are you?
Hello Momo.
Hello, you alright?
Hey.
Yeah, the Indian Royal. Like, subscribe, share.
Hey guys. Hey. Hello.
Smash that like button. Get the hammer and smash
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
Hello. Hello. Right. How are you feeling? Good. How about you? Momo? How are you feeling?
Yo, what's up? 1, 2, 3, check.
Yeah. Amber? How are you?
I'm feeling
Aaron?
Yes, hello mate. How are you?
Good, good.
You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be.
What do you identify as?
Do you identify as a tripod? Do you know what a tripod is, Aaron? Whatever it is. I don't care.
Meant to be.
He's a walking tripod.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. to be.